Traffic, especially in the large cities, can be kind of a problem. A great invention made by a company in the Netherlands is a sort of swimming bus which weighs tens of thousands of pounds but still can get up to good speed in water. With hurling being one of the most technically challenging forms of running, it always impressive to watch. But a moment that left everyone in disbelief happened when Aris Merritt set the hurdles world record of 110 meters in 12.8 seconds.
Richardson's in second place and Parchment in third. 12.81, it's a new world record.
When making a self-portrait, artists usually take a picture or look at the mirror and do the painting, but an almost unbelievable footage is from this artist making a self-portrait without looking at the painting. A completely mesmerizing footage to watch is the Earth at night seen from the International Space Station, which doesn't even look real. A not so known fact is that beneath every active volcano there is the magma pocket, and well, when the pressure builds up it can rise to the surface, which is known as a volcano eruption. Here is a volcano crater erupting and it's mesmerizing to watch. A kind of terrifying moment to watch happened during a wedding when the couple was being interviewed on a tree limb just went down towards them. Luckily no one was injured.
Oh shit! Oh my god. Wedding day.
Yeah.
No one's gonna believe us when we get back to the venue.
Couple of months ago, many people reported that a sudden bright streak appeared and then disappeared over the horizon in the middle of the night. And well, many people then checked their security cameras and it showed a big meteor passing by. Luckily, it landed in a farm in Kansas where there was nobody around. With Bill Gates being the richest man alive for a long time, it's no secret that he is also known as being a genius and has said in several interviews that he is an avid chess player. But when he was invited to a show with Magnus Carlsen and was challenged to a chess game, he lost in 19 seconds.
Oh, that was quick. Oh, that was bad.
After repeatedly watching how humans open the gates from the stable, a horse managed to figure out how to get the gate open by itself, which totally surprised the owners. Even though unprovoked shark bites on humans are extremely low and the chances of a shark attacking you are 1 in 11.5 million, they still look pretty scary. A crazy video to watch comes from a man in Australia who caught a shark taking a bite of a boat. A very bizarre moment at the Porsche Carrera Cup in France happened when two cars ended up on top of each other.
Et ça se touche et l'accrochage. Et une voiture. Incroyable image de Jules Gounon posée sur le toit de Geoffrey Denardat. Championnat cette année. Une image absolument.
When a man was walking on the streets of Denver, he noticed a bouncing manhole, which didn't make sense considering there wasn't much wind, and well, the footage is confusing to watch. Okay, maybe the mayor of the city took enforcing the law to the extreme, but when the mayor noticed a car repeatedly parking illegally, he decided to just smash the car with the tank. Even though we are still years away from having suits like the ones in the Iron Man movies, Royal Marines managed to make a very capable suit and made a demonstration of man going from a boat and landing in a ship very smoothly. A very impressive moment at the pool champion of champions happened when Ryan Evans managed to do an impressive left-handed shot. What looked like it was to be a bad pass at an NBA game ended up with a lucky bounce when one of the players scored with his head. A very impressive drill caught on camera is one in which soldiers train to climb walls upwards of 20 feet without using any equipment. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.